Strange, gourd-like shapes inhabit this haunting nocturnal vision by Northern California painter Wade Hofer. The undulating landforms in the background were inspired by the vineyard country where Hofer lives and works. Here he is describing this painting, Peasant's Parade.
The images are like kind of archaic icons that are placed in such a manner that it creates this tableau or assemblage or a little parade of images that are sort of linked, almost like a little choo-choo train, if you will. It's really open for interpretation. I just sort of present this kind of image, and you can actually dive in, enter the plane of the painting, and basically roam around.
Hofer says he makes large-scale paintings because he wants you, the viewer, to have a visceral encounter with the work.
They're things to physically experience more than they are to intellectually deal with.
Hofer's work is deeply connected to the earth and to local history and archaeology in Sonoma County, where he lives. For many years, he managed a vineyard that ran along a dry creek bed.
After heavy rains and erosion, I would find these rift systems where the bank would wear away, and I would see a lot of remnants of Native American articles and possessions and tools.
From these artifacts, Hofer created a personal lexicon of images that roots his dreamlike landscapes in local history and geography. And like ancient artists before him, Hofer uses plants to make his own paint colors.
I was actually using natural spices and herbs to create color. Turmeric, cayenne, oregano, and with a mortar and pestle, grounding the pigments and putting them into an acrylic binder so that the earth even gets back into the painting.